Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can have a better stream quality here on Discord. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can have a better stream quality here on Discord. So let's get started. So first what we want to do is go here on settings and then go here to voice and video, and we want to scroll down until we see video codec here, just below the audio codec here in advanced. Then what you want to do is disable this Open HD 640 codec, because usually or by default this is enabled like this, but you want to disable this because this makes your computer work more for it, because as you can see it uses your GPU for something. It makes it work more for efficient video encoding and decoding. So if this is enabled, then there's a high chance this is the reason that this is why you have poor streaming quality. It may be laggy, stuffy, or maybe just low quality overall, especially when you have low to mid specs on your computer, and then this could really solve your problem. That's it, guys.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.